Namaste, Tej programmer. Today we will see odd even number, how we can find odd even number. At first, we will see the odd number 1 to 20. Okay, so for that, we have to take for loop again. So for let, we're taking a variable. After that, I equal it will start from 1. I initialize from 1, it will goes till 20. So after that, r will increment. So after that, here is our curly brace. After that, what we will do, we will write up uh, logic, like if we'll check if I double equal. Okay, it will check, sorry, if I mod 2 double equal triple equal. We can also use double equal, means it will check the type, and it will, if triple equal means it will check the type and everything. So we'll try to write triple equal, and after that, triple equal 0. So it will be like, if it is then log I. So we're telling that if it is divided by 2, so it will be log. So after that, what we'll do, so we'll print the I. So here it is not odd, it is even. So we have not, like, we have to use not. So that's it. Odd means like 1 5 3, this kind of. So 8, and you can see 1 3 5, everything is fine. So if I want to use this, you can also write in the next, you can this kind of. So I'll try to write this. So I will try to find out the natural number, even number. So I have to write just triple equal. Whoever, actually, I is 1, 1 is divided by 2, so it will uh, equal 0. Mod means, actually, if I is I am taking it as I is 5, I am dividing through the 2. So uh, 2 into 2, it will 4, and if remaining will be 1, means modulus. So if it is 0, so it will console this. So let's see. You can see 2 4, everything 2 9. So how it's working, let's see. So I'm going to here. So again, I will paste, and I will try to do debugging. So z.js. So sorry, before that I have to like put the breakpoint. So again, I have to hit, because if you don't give the breakpoint, it will be like not direct, it will print, not like stopping, it will not stop. So if I debug, you can see I will be here. I is undefined because it is here, it is stopped. So I actually 1, if I click here, it will be 1. So here I am clicking, so I is 1. So if I click here, I is 1, and I is less than equal 20, yeah, then it will go here. So if I click here, it will check 1 divided equal to, okay, 2, and I, you can hear 1 divided 2 equal 0. No, it is not. So it will goes here, and I is still, you can see, sorry, I is still 1. So if I it is not showing, you can hover here. Okay, so if I click here again, it will actually increase, and it will goes like here. Okay, I will be 2, and it will goes here, and it will again true. so it will come to the next line. So let's see. Okay, I is 2 and it is like stopping here. So I is 2 and 20 less than 20 if I is 2 and here it is 2. So let's see. You can see it is it's here and it will like console. You can see it is 2. So if again I hit here, so it will goes here I 3 and less than 20. Yes, again it will come here. So again it will 3 and it will 2, it will be 1.5. No, it's not true because zero point 0.5 is remaining. So if I hit here, nothing is printed. I here I is still 3. If I click here, it will increase. So if you can see I will be 4, and after that it will come in the next line. So on so forth, it will print 4. Okay, so this kind of it will print. You can see. Okay, yeah, till 20. Yeah, it's completed. So thanks for watching these videos. If it is helpful, please do like, share, comment and subscribe.